there's always something new that the Aura Estelle team is working on. This time, we're thrilled to welcome a new member to our Tomoe River Paper family, the week's catch-all made in Japan. The catch-all system was first debuted in our shop in 2022 in the size A6, and ever since then, it's been one of the most sought-after layouts in our shop. With the growing demand for more sizes in this beloved week on 4-page layout, we are now introducing catch-all in the week size. And on top of that, Annie and I have incorporated a fresh compatibility feature into this planner, elevating your planning experience to a whole new level of enjoyment. The catch-all is a lightweight planner. It features 52 GSM Tomoe River paper, and it's about half of the thickness of the week's daily. For those of you seeking a daily carry-friendly planner with a simple weekly layout, this is the one for you. And as mentioned earlier, this is our first planner that's made in Japan. This means we're able to adopt Japan's cutting-edge automated machine binding system. The ultra-fine threading technology ensures precise alignment of the planner pages, and it also provides exceptional durability to the planner spines. The week's catch-all is an undated planner that features our classic arrangement. It begins with 2 yearly overview pages, followed by 12 monthly columns on 6 pages, and then 12 monthly spreads are grouped together in the beginning of the planner before diving into the weekly section. Into the weekly section, you'll find 1 weekly overview page followed by 3 blank grid pages for every week, and this is repeated 52 times for a full year of planning. This layout, in my opinion, sort of lies in between a short weekly layout and a full daily layout. It gives you just enough space to capture all of your weekly to-dos while still keeping your planner daily carry-friendly. And most importantly, the weekly overview page adopts measurements that will fit your week sticker kits perfectly. This means you can plan your week in a minimalistic, goal-driven style, or take it a step further by dressing it up with your favorite sticker kits for those moments when the creative side of you just needs an outlet. Either way, the Catch-all Planner is here to help you get things done and feel good about your own progress. And last but not least, after the 52 weeks, there are an extra of 30 blank grid pages at the back of the planner for extra memos or notes. And don't forget to download the sticker guide to stick out your perfect planner tabs. So make sure you mark your calendar. The week's catch-all is coming to shop on March 15th at 10 a.m. PST. And for the first 24 hours with each planner purchased, you'll get a free tab sticker sheet color of your choice. And on top of that, you'll also get 10% off on any week-size planner cover purchased.